Oh my God.
I've always wanted to be a hip-hop MC. Like a real rapper. But I grew up and like I said, I'm a Jewish guy. Come on over here. Come right next to me, big guy. I'm a Jewish guy. I grew up in Boston. Now, I don't know. I think tonight, since I've already divulged so much of my life to you guys, I want to try to rap tonight. Like really rap for the first time. I've messed around with it before, but like I want to... Should I try?
Yeah! Go back to Boston.
He said he doesn't want to do it. You're just going to help me. You're going to show these guys how to keep time. Ready? We're going to do... Because don't rappers do like a clap thing? They do like a clap, clap, clap. Let's start clapping. Ready? Here we go. Follow my little man here. Ready? Here we go. Clap, clap, clap. Not bad. Not bad. We're feeling good. Okay, now what is it that rappers do, right? First we say some sort of cool rap thing, right? Like, what's your name again? Danny. When Danny says hip-hop, y'all say, Danny!
Danny.
When I say hip-hop, no, you know what? I don't think we're doing it right. I don't know. You want to try it? No. Just, how about you say like this? You say, when I say hip-hop,
you say something.
that is right. We say, Danny, clap it up. Clap, clap, clap. Here we go. Clap, clap. You know what? I'm just going to try it. Here we go. Come on, I need more encouragement than that. I'm Jewish. Come on. I'm trying to rap here for heck's sake. Okay. I don't know. What am I doing? Am I doing like a country jig and I'm about to rap? What the hell's going on? My legs are taking over doing something I have no idea. All right. I can't rap.